श्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ द्यौः शान्ति अन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथ्वी शान्ति रोषधयः शान्ति वनस्पतयः शान्ति विश्वे देवाः शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्ति सर्वे शान्ति शान्ति रेवा शान्ति शान्ति समा शान्ति शान्ति रेधि शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ ॐ God bless everyone here.
Thank you so much, Tulika ji.
Very, it was so resonating. The Shanti was really very resonating and really we felt very nice. Thank you so much, Tulika ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please
Thank
carry
you for
on
all your
to level
blessings.
2, level 3, level 4.
Ma'am, I would like to have you please for level 2 and all my dear participants here. I've got so used to all of you being there on screen. Please be there for level 2 or to join with me. Please, all of you, all the participants, I request you. I really love to see you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna.
Anyone else now who remaining? Yeah. Tejas?
Kavita ji aaye hai kya?
जी मैम.
Tejas
Tejas is there.
Kavita ji aaye. Kavita didi aaye hain.
Kavita didi is not there. Didi.
महेश भैया, अभी महेश भैया को नहीं छोड़ेंगे, उनको इतना टैलेंट होके बैठे हैं आराम से.
जी
महेश भैया किधर है?
महेश भैया
जी. महेश भैया जी, आप छुपा रुस्तम निकले. आप बहुत बड़ा छुपा रुस्तम निकले. आप देखिए इतना जानते हैं और कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं.
नहीं, मैं जानता क्या हूँ, लैंग्वेज जानता हूँ बस. बंगाली, बंगाल में पैदा हुआ, बंगाली सीखा.
बंगाली में कुछ तो बोलिए ना, कुछ तो मालूम होगा बंगाली.
तमिल सीख गया.
हाँ, our language, yes.
কি বলবো, আমার বলবার தமிழ் என்ன சொல்றது? வணக்கம்.
அது என்ன வணக்கமா? நீங்க என்ன சொன்னீங்க? வணக்கம் சொன்னீங்களா?
இல்ல, என்ன சொல்றது? வணக்கம் சொல்லிட்டு போச்சு.
Mahesh Bhaiya and I are having a wonderful channel, right? None of you are able to understand probably. But I'll assure you, talking Tamil better than any Tamilian. I'll assure you all that.
No. And शैल्या के लिए बहुत सारो लाग्यो અને આજ કરી નથી શક્યા, પરંતુ બહુ જ ગમ્યો. અમે જોયા હતા યુટ્યુબમાં, બહુ સારું છે.
Srijaya is able to understand. Srijaya can understand Tamil or Bengali? Tamil.
Namaste, Didi. I can. Yeah, so I'm a South Indian, but I'm born and brought up in Pune. So all my education throughout I have done in Pune. So I know to speak Malayalam. I understand Tamil. Marathi I can cope it up. I would not say I'm a very huge expert, but I can talk properly. Hindi also I can talk well. So Sanskrit is somewhere, since it's a very unique language, I'm still trying and learning it right now.
Linguist ആണോ നിങ്ങള്?
Hey?
നിങ്ങള് linguist ആണോ? You know Malayalam, right?
എനിക്കറിയാം, മലയാളം അറിയാം. എനിക്ക്
മലയാളം അറിയാം. എനിക്കറിയാം, വായിക്കാൻ അറിയാം.
അച്ഛാ ഇല്ല എനിക്ക് സംസാരിക്കാൻ മാത്രമേ അറിയാം വായിക്കാനായിട്ട് ഇപ്പം പഠിക്കുവാ ഇച്ചിരിയായിട്ട് but it's a bit confusing for me with the letters,
Yes,
right?
the good. Yes, it's tough. It's tough.
Yes, it's tough actually. So I'm still trying. Let's see. That way.
So I also
And tell something
request
about your journey.
Shraddhaji to say something. Shraddhaji is actually
Shraddhaji.
hidden talent behind the scene.
Shraddhaji
And
को हम
Today
छोड़ने
I
वाले
am-
नहीं है. We are
Yeah.
not going to. We are
First,
not
we
going
should
to
finish our
leave
all
Shraddhaji.
the Gita Sadhaks first.
Shivakama,
We'll go.
without your Suprabhatam sloka, the day does not begin. So just put
No,
forward
it's
2
night.
lines.
Now it's night actually. No, I'll let everyone finish. No, let I will.
Yeah.
Time will finish.
Including Shraddhaji. We were with
We left
Srijaya.
her.
I would like to ask Srijaya her experience and let her give her a minute time to talk about her Gita journey.
Right. So first thing, Jai Shri Krishna, and I'm
Shri
really thankful to you, Shivkami Didi, for being so patient. And I really resonate that thought that everybody has on this group for your patience at every level and correcting us the same word which you have, even if 5 of us make the same mistake, you have that same amount of patience to correct us. And Shraddha ji, I would say she is so good at, sending us all the information, so particular about sending the audios, the meanings of the slokas. And Mahesh ji is such a wonderful person. He helps balance the whole group with his ever charming smile, I would say, and always smiling and saying, oh, it's okay, you can come, and that comfort level that comes in, right? That is something I think each one of us look forward to. And like when we are going into the level 2 right now, I would want us as a whole group going to the second level. So we are so used to meeting each other virtually at 10 o'clock, right? And the way I got to know about Gita Parivar is one of my friend, he had completed his level 2. And it was just during a conversation. It was a particular article that he shared, and we just got talking about it. So I was like, I'm trying to learn, but it's not so easy. He was like, no, I have done this. So if you want, you join. And he sent me the link. And I would say it's God's grace. The registrations links were actually open. And I was like, okay, but I was only scared if I would be able to keep that commitment, of coming every day at 10 o'clock, because you have work right now and sometimes it extends. So I was not sure. So I made sure that I chose the last lot of the whole class, right? And I'm really happy about it. I think till date, I've missed probably 1 or 2 class, that too also because of some medical emergency at home. But otherwise, I have been able to be regular. And I'm hoping that I continue my journey here and learn how much ever I can. So thank you so much. And it has been a splendid experience, I would say.
Thank you so much.
See, there,
Thank
Do
you.
all the 4 levels.
Sanjana
Vicky is
ji.
in Vicky and what is in her name.
Sanjana ji, are you there?
Yes, Shadaji, I'm there.
Yeah. Now we want
Jai
to.
Shri Krishna, everybody.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Ma'am, I'm so happy to be a part of this group, actually. I'm really blessed. First, I'll introduce myself. I'm Sanjana Naik from
Yes.
Goa, from where Mahesh is from. So we are almost, I think, around 40 kilometers far from each other. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Mahesh Bhaiya is not far from anybody.
Listening.
Yeah, of course. I'm working in Department of Art and Culture. I'm really happy. Actually, I never thought that I would ever learn Bhagavad Gita. I never got that chance, meaning like how to learn, from where to learn. But through one of my WhatsApp group of my friend, I found the link and I just joined it, and I'm really very happy today because I learned at least 2 chapters to pronounce, and the meanings also we learn on Saturdays. The main part of the Gita.
You're an amazing
Shraddhaji,
chanter. You say very perfectly. I must appreciate your chanting. Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. It's all
Please
because of
continue.
you.
Please do continue.
It's
No,
all
your
because of you,
inherent,
ma'am.
thing.
No, really, ma'am, because you teach each and every word, spelling each and every word. Whenever I'm wrong, you correct her. That is the main thing.
We are supposed to do that.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. Please continue your journey. Please do continue your journey. That's the
Yeah.
request,
Ma'am,
humble request to each and every one of you. Please go through all the levels. It's not difficult as you can see it now. It is not at all difficult.
Your forms are already there in the group. You people should
Yeah.
fill it. Okay, now Manjula ji. Manjula ji, are you there?
Yes. Jai Shri Krishna.
Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
So happy to see you all, such a versatile crowd. You know, as everybody are telling, like, you know, we have got used to this crowd now. 10 o'clock means we rush. You know, we leave everything, we rush. And Shivkami ma'am, pranams to you. You know, the way you have been teaching us, really, actually, that day Mahesh Bhai had called to congratulate. So I was narrating him something like, you know, when I was in school, that is when I was in 6th standard, I had, you know, recited this. We have been taught Bhagavad Gita compulsorily from senior KG to 6th standard. I studied in Kerala. So I'm a Tamil Iyer. I belong to Calicut. And after marriage, now I'm in Mumbai, settled, got 2 kids. I'm an HR professional. And
Where in Mumbai? Sorry to interrupt.
Ghatkopar. Yeah, you are also in Mumbai, ma'am.
I'm in Mumbai, Santa Cruz.
Okay. So I was telling you, you know, every day, every class, we are prepared to go for a Gita recital competition. So in 6th standard, the 15th chapter, almost half we had memorized, and I had participated in this competition, and I had won first prize. And Chinmayanand ji had given me an autographed Bhagavad Gita then. After that, it was all, you know, it was all lying there, and we just forgot about it. And this was a divine calling, actually, and that too when I was actually very upset. I lost few family members to COVID, and I was in a very dark space. And this platform, actually, my mommy Meenakshi is also there in this group. She had sent me this link, and we both had joined. And you know, after every class, if she misses, I message her, "Mommy, I have not seen you today." And you know, from that dark space, now I can see a streak of light. I see so many people sharing their experiences, and I'm truly indebted to this team. And I look forward to continue also with the same team. Thank you so much.
Very nice to see all of you all. I hope you'll all continue the journey.
You're
All
blessed,
the best.
ma'am. You're blessed.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you so much, Manjula ji. Meenakshi ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna. Please switch on your
Jai Shri Krishna.
video.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
Actually, very happy to see you all and hear you all speak at this level. I'm really very blessed. I consider myself blessed to have joined this and learned these 2 chapters and continue. I am sure to continue all the levels and learn the Bhagavad Gita. It's a great opportunity, and I thank you all very much for this. Thank you so much.
You've
The
been very
sincerity and
regular
devotion
and
with which the sincerity and devotion with which you all teach us is really remarkable. Really, thank you so much for that. Thank you
Thank you so much,
much.
Meenakshi.
all of you are the inspiration for all that. It's the
Yeah.
duty of our Gita Parivar.
Yeah.
All the best, Meenakshi ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priya ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thanks all of you. And I would really like to thank and Shivkami ma'am, your really pronunciation is still, even if we sleep or even if I sleep now, that is ringing bell. It feels so nice. Here again, when it will be 10 o'clock and when we'll again hear your voice. It's really very nice. And I like I am Maharashtrian, married to a Marwadi. So I know Marathi. I learned Marwadi, and my mom is Kannada. So I know Kannada also. Hindi, Marathi, English, they are part of our routine languages. So it goes on. And like this Geeta was introduced by me to one of my school friends. She is in Amsterdam. So she forwarded me the link. So she said, just try to kar kabhi, matlab, see if you can make out the time, because being a Marwadi, na, it is whole time goes in kitchen. Maximum of my time goes in kitchen. But then too, I try many things. So she said, ki chal try to karke dekh ek baar, ki if you can, then you can reset and you have that much time. So this was the last batch I chose so that I could at least wind up my all things and I could start with this. I'm really blessed to have you, everyone, as part of this. And I have registered for the level 2 also, same time. So hope to see you all. Thanks, ma'am. And thanks, Shraddha ji. Thanks, Maheshji. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Priyaji.
Thank you for your very candid opinions, a very candid speech, and wish you a very great journey ahead.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Priya
Doing this, I am also pursuing my CA final last.
Wow.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
great.
All the best. Great.
That only I'm saying, being into Marwadi, na, doing all such things is a little bit difficult and it's big challenging. Winding up all things, but then too, I have, I want to complete my CA final. I have completed the CA, P2 I have completed. This is the final I have completed. Hope this year let me complete my final.
Yes, you will. The God will bless you.
Thank you.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you.
Priya Mishra ji.
Ma'am, thank you so much. My gratitude. Like it's a privilege to learn Gita in this age. It's really my privilege only. And what I can say, everybody has already spoken about everything, whatever is going on. So the video, whatever you're sharing, no, the sound is always, it is ringing on my ear. The videos with the reciting, like the slokas, and I'm really big fan of, all of the group and the things are sharing. Thank you so much. It is really enlightenment through this Gita. Even we are not able to understand. Yes, very honestly, somehow I am not able to understand what is exactly the meaning. But I really literally try to, recite it properly with the proper pronunciation. And ma'am, thank you so much. The way you are teaching, just my gratitude to you. This is only for you. This is. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Our duty. Jai Shri Krishna. It's the Lord who does everything, It's just thrown by whatever we do.
Thank you, Priya ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next we have Sevak Ramji. Sevak Ramji.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. I want to introduce myself. I have joined this Gita class last 2 classes. Because of some COVID, I was not feeling well. So finally, I was joined last 2 classes. And in these 2 classes, I have learned this chapter 12. And in this period, I learned this Sanskrit by Shivkami ma'am with very well and perfectly teaching by word to word. So I am thank you to ma'am and this Shraddha ji, you are giving the right guidance to understand and all this about these chapters. And there was a very good cooperation from Mahesh ji. So time to time giving instruction and attending these classes. So I'm so blessed that I am learning the Srimad Bhagavad Gita from the Gita Parivar. So it seems my dream comes true to join this class. Learning Gita was my dream. So I thank you to you all and the group. So we will continue these classes in future and expect there is a lot of cooperation from the group. So thank you once again.
I'd like to congratulate सेवकराम जी, ये लक्ष्मी नारायण के रूप में इनकी मिसेस है, वो हमारे मॉर्निंग बैच में है, मैं ही चीज हूँ उधर भी,
Yes.
उनसे बात करके आपके पोल पति ले लिया।
Yes. I was
दोनों
you were talking with Devani, so I was there and she told me about. So thank you very much to you.
वो पुनः लिखते हैं, आप बलोच लिखते हो,
Yes, I am.
so but both are at Baloch. I'm really glad and very happy for both of
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tomorrow also she has got her farewell, morning 7.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
The Vanish farewell, you please join in.
Yeah, I will.
You'll enjoy.
Yeah, please. I will join, sir.
Okay, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Sevakram ji. Now
Thank
we
you.
have श्यामलाल भैया। आपको तो हमारा ही वंदन सबसे पहले।
मैं सबको वंदना नमस्कार करता हूँ पहले। I was born in Haryana in a very small village in May 1942, and I completed my SLC in 1956. And after that, I was asked to join some job somewhere because there was no way for a livelihood. So I was thinking what is to be done. Then I was taking small tuitions for small children, teaching them mathematics. I was good in mathematics. So like that I have grown. Finally, I joined college, but I was not able to complete my studies there because of financial problems. So I joined a service in Ministry of Defense as a trainee. As a trainee in heavy vehicles factory, Audi, they were manufacturing Vijanta tanks for Indian Army. So I was working there. I continued for 4 years, 5 years there. From there, I completed my diploma in the evening classes and then joined the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. That is at Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Bombay. From there, we came back to Trivandrum. I was transferred to Trivandrum. Trivandrum, there is a small temple, Krishna temple. They conduct the Krishna Jayanti. So my job was there to prepare flags, decoration activities for the whole temple. So I will day and night busy every year. I'll continue to do that job so that up night till 12 o'clock when Krishna Jayanti function starts, real prayer starts, or prasad is distributed, then only I will not take even water. I used to be Niraharam, Vrata. I used to continue for Krishna Jayanti. But I have never got the opportunity to learn Bhagavad Gita. And this is an opportunity after my retirement of 20 years. I am now 80th year. I entered in 80th year. 79 I completed. So I am grateful to Shivkami ma'am, Shraddha ji and Mahesh ji so much. I am so much grateful to all of you and all our colleagues, those who are now, they've recited many things, especially Atharva, who said at this age that he wants to become a yogi. See, they are the light for this nation. They will be leading this country in future. So I want everyone to prepare their children so to understand those things, to continue our civilization, our culture, our systems, so that everything is safe in their hands. Before we leave, we want to hand over these things to the younger generation. That much only I wanted to say. I retired as scientist F. I worked with Dr. APJ Kalam. I was there with Professor Kasturi Rangam. I was there with Professor U.R. Rao. I was working with Professor Satish Dhawan in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. And I have many things on my credit. I have done activities in ISRO. So many in R&D activities, I was a person who was manufacturing many things for the development of the missile technology, rocket technology, space technology. So I was expert in all those things. Because of that, I was sent abroad, foreign countries, to learn more things. And I have done there also, I did my job very perfectly. So thereby, I have now drawing pension from the government of India to the tune of maybe, I need not tell them much about it, but I have got two children. One is in America, other is, my daughter is in Philadelphia, that is Colombia. Her husband is managing director in Hero Honda company. And my son is vice president in USA. So I am settling between Colombia, India, and Delhi. This is my job. So I got this very good opportunity to learn Bhagavad Gita. And whenever I get up in the morning, before I open my eyes, I remember Shivkami ma'am. Her words I remember. What she asked me to pronounce, how she announced me to pronounce. And then Shraddhaji is sending the slokas. Then I will put on my videos and I will listen those things and compare with this, all those things. Like that I am learning, ma'am. So I am grateful to our Gita Parivar. I am grateful to Shivkam ma'am, Shraddhaji and Maheshji, and to all my colleagues. Thank you very much.
And we are very happy to have you in our group.
I am very
Seek your
happy.
blessings. We seek your blessings.
Yeah,
Yes.
We seek your blessings too.
All these young people, they should continue to study. They should learn more and more things. And I think power gone. Okay. So actually, when I was attending Swami Chinmayaji's lecture once, so we requested him that when Swamiji was taking class there for explaining Gita, so we requested him not to transfer this Swamiji because he is taking very well. Then Chinmayaji said, see, like that you are thinking, you want to get all the information from the Swamiji, but what about other districts, other people are there also waiting for him. So you don't think that you only should get the best. Let everybody get the best. So be satisfied how long he has taken your class and he made you to understand things. Similarly, I am telling, Shivkami ma'am is for everybody. Shraddha is for everybody. Maheshji is for everybody. So you should look after everybody in the same manner. That is my request.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your blessings and encouragement.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Pranam aapko.
Sagar pranam.
Suchita ji.
Krishna. First and foremost, big thanks to the Gita Parivar. Shivakami Didi, without your encouragement, it would have been very difficult for me to complete the 2 chapters. Very nice to have you as a teacher because you had a positive attitude towards us in encouraging us and to correct all the mistakes, etc. At least today, I have hope that I'll be able to complete the 18 chapters. In fact, I came to know about this Gita Parivar after a lot of efforts because before this, I had made several attempts to learn the Bhagavad Gita, but I was not successful. You know, I was trying to read from the ISKCON Bhagavad Gita and from the YouTube, etc. But it was difficult. I couldn't meet much success. And I happened to watch the interview of Shri Govind Giri Maharaj Ji on ABP Mazha TV. That's how I came to know about this Gita Parivar. I searched the Google and then took the details and got the information about the link, etc. So it was quite a struggle for me to be able to learn the Bhagavad Gita. But now I'm so glad that I joined this. Hopefully, I'm able to complete it also successfully. And Mahesh Bhaiya ji, after talking to you, I have shared the link of this Gita Parivar with many of my family members, with my colleagues, especially my colleagues who have got small children. Because when I watch Advik and Atharva, it is very nice that small children are learning and they should be learning it. So I've shared this link with all these people so that they also get the benefit and they don't have to, sort of struggle the way I had to struggle to know about the Bhagavad Gita. So once again, thanks a lot. Big thanks, Shivakami Didi, for all the encouragement. If I, one thing I miss is that I'm not able to meet you personally. I would have really washed your feet and seek your blessings and things like that, because you have given me. Thank you so much. Shraddha Didi, your voice is so sweet. It's so nice. And Mahesh Bhaiya, thank you for the encouragement and also sharing all those links so that I could share it, this benefit with the others also. Thank you
Thank you so much.
Now I think I have completed everyone. If anyone is remaining, please raise your hand.
Shraddha ji is remaining. Shraddha ji is remaining.
I am only
Shraddha ji will
talking from the
sing.
starting till now, ma'am. More, ma'am. After
Shraddha ji, aap gana gaye now. You have to sing, no?
No, ma'am. After listening,
You have a very sweet voice.
That's
I can actually every time I imagine you singing,
Yeah, ma'am. Why not?
Please sing for all of us. You have done so much for all of us. Without you, these classes would not have been possible only. So prompt, so punctual, so sincere. I mean, I can't find enough words to thank you and praise you, Shraddha ji. All adjectives will fall short for your sincerity. God bless you. I'm sure God will shower all his blessings for all the sincerity that you have exhibited throughout.
Thank you, ma'am. I can't sing very well, but just for this occasion, I'll sing.
Yeah, please sing. Please sing.
Little bhajan I have.
Yeah, please.
So just please bear with me because I'm not that good singer like you people are reciting everything.
No, that you leave it to us. You don't say it.
Okay, ma'am. I'll take this privilege to sing a bhajan for you. हे नाथ अब तो ऐसी दया हो जीवन निरर्थक जाने न पाए यह मन न जाने क्या क्या दिखाए कुछ बन न पाया अपने बनाए हे नाथ अब तो ऐसी दया हो जीवन निरर्थक जाने न पाए संसार में ही आसक्त रहकर दिन रात अपने मतलब की कहकर सुख के लिए लाखों दुख सहकर ये दिन अभी तक यूं ही बिताए हे नाथ अब तो ऐसी दया हो जीवन निरर्थक जाने न पाए वह योग्यता दो सत्कर्म कर लूं अपने हृदय में सद्भाव भर लूं नर्तन है साधन भव सिंधु तर लूं ऐसा समय फिर आए ना आए हे नाथ अब तो ऐसी दया हो जीवन निरर्थक जाने न पाए हे नाथ मुझे यूं निर्भिमानी बना दो दारिद्र हर लो दानी बना दो आनंद में भी ज्ञानी बना दो मैं हूँ पथिक ये ही आशा लगाए हे नाथ अब तो ऐसी दया हो जीवन निरर्थक जाने न पाए जीवन निरर्थक, जाने न पाए। जय श्री कृष्ण सभी को।
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful.
वन लाइन की प्रेयर है इसी के ऊपर। है मेरी इतनी अर्जी सुनो, ये अगले सेशन में मुझे टेक में श्रद्धा को ही देना।
ओह क्या
सही
बात
बात है,
है भैया।
सही है। श्रद्धा वो मेरा प्रेयर है। हाँ?
Yeah, ma'am. Even I will pray for the same. We all should get the same batch.
Yeah, sure.
And now, ma'am, your turn.
Okay, I will sing a small bhajan.
No, yes,
Shlok, every time I'm saying no, Mahesh ji, I'll sing a song. Every time I'm saying Shlok.
Others, not for me, for your other students, they have never heard you.
Okay, I'll sing a song.
Shlokas.
Okay, I'll sing 2 lines and then I will sing the shloka, because every day they hear me reciting the shloka only, no?
Okay.
I'll sing a small Hindi song, bhajan. Hey Govinda, Hey Gopal, Hey Govinda, Hey Gopal, Deen Khed Yalal, Vinati ye hamari, suniye pran hari, Vinati ye हमारी, सुनिए प्राण धारी। हे गोविंद, चारों ओर है अंधेरा, सूझे नाही द्वार तेरा, तुझ बिना न कोई मेरा, कुंज के बिहारी, सुनिए प्राण धारी, कुंज के बिहारी, सुनिए प्राण धारी। हे गोविंद, हम न जाने ध्यान ज्ञान, हम न चाहे शान पान, जब निकल रहे हो प्राण, दरस दे मुरारी, सुनिए प्राण धारी। हे गोविंद, हे गोपाल, दीन के दयाल लाल, विनती ये हमारी, सुनिए प्राण धारी। हे गोविंद।
Wow, ma'am.
Beautiful.
A beautiful voice, ma'am. Ma'am, are you a trained singer?
Yeah, I'm a Carnatic music singer.
Oh, that's what. Very nice.